Mentah kapor san baje nak leng jong ki pulet ki lawan ra no ya ki san ngut ki basuba ba ki don keti ban penyap ya u raja Raghuvanshi hang ni apo district court ladang akadau hinen gasngi nak leng jong ki pulet ha kapor shi baje ki lawan yalam ya kasunam hang ni apo Shillong bat kumju mentam step ha kapor pra shiteng ki lawan yalam pat ki saungut ki badon keti lang kasunam ki ba suba ba ki don keti lang bat ka sunam ban le ya ni ka kam sini lawan yalam no hang ni apo Shillong ha ka baki lara hang te apo Sardar police station hadin baki lapo yang te nak leng juki pulet ki lapan long ya ka medical check up ya kini ki saungut ki bala wanra nang te napo indoor bat kumjuru nakabenta jong ka sunam hi hin kamit hi ki lapan long ya ka medical check up ya ka hang te po Ganesh Das hospital te ha ka bayade hi bat kani ka kes hi ladangi kedau hang ni u raja Raghuvanshi bat ka sunam Raghuvanshi kilawan ha ka jela ha ka artarik bat kilali kai hang te ki thain sora hre ha ka arpulai tarik kilayo kubor ya baki ni arngut chi kurim kilaja nang te na po thain sora bat ha ka jing penlong ya kata ka jing to ket hi nak liang ki pulet ha ka artarik kilalap no ya kamet basa jong u raja Raghuvanshi hadin kani hadin bakilayo ya kamet yap jong u raja hi ha ka jing to ket jong ki pulet tang hap deng news ngi hi kilalap no ye kini ki baro ki badan keti ki ba kenthop ya kalok jong u raja Raghuvanshi ru te nadin kani hi nakaleng jik pulet kila let kem yaki bat kila wanra hinin kasngi hang ne po nong ba Shillong te nakal hakabayade hi bat kani menta kasngi layo ru banya kran bot USP jong Kaei khasi helu ba Vivek em te Kaei ke bodon ban ong halor kani hi halor kani ka kes menta kasngi subha bani ne bani hakani ka khubor.
Last night we actually they are in transit only, so one team had reached at night or early morning, and the other team had reached this morning at around 39. Interrogation will start very soon. Once we've got the remand and all that, police remand, interrogation will start. Let us not speculate. There are so many things that preliminary interrogation and preliminary investigation was done in those states. They may have divulged some things, but these things need to be confirmed and need to be corroborated and need to be backed with evidence. Yesterday, a thorough checkup was done in Ganesh Das hospital. So they had done a check on a pregnancy, and it appears negative. But again, they will recheck her. I think after the 24th. I'm umday juvenile. Kimere juvenile. Maki itanya samla karta. Kimde juvenile. Where do we get umday juvenile? How kibon kita ki version jong sequence of events ki jong ki accused somewhat, jong ki accused langot, but jong sonam te I posha ini la the interrogation ini la ban yok exact sequence of events. La ya hining toket ngi la ban tet dang don shoot betul tina ngi la dem interrogate ngi la ban pentikna ka no kalong ka involvement joka kalong kumno but ki details jongka involvement joka hani ka crime ngi la ban pentikna tang ban la ni pulet ka plan kalong kumno kumoi andai kapulam no ka plan ba tang adin news ni syakem no ka plan ki kara flop. Any kaplan ya kata tharu plan ho we ngila yo bits and pieces re ya kata ka tharu plan hi in petikna hi adin ban la de interrogation
Hadin kajing wanra jong ki pulet jong ka jela ya ki sangut kita ki ba la suba ba ki don keti ban penyap ya u raja Raghuvanshi hang ni apo yeng bisar nak liang jong ka yeng bisari kala aipor ki pulet prasngi bakin toket halor kani ka jingja hakabede bakani hingi layo ban yakran ya u additional SP jong ka is khasi hel u ashish bat ha ka jing thu jong u ya kilat pathai kubor ka long ba ka jing toket hi ya kini ki basuba ba ki don keti ha kani ka kiasi kan long nak benta prasngi bat lada ki pulet kirang idon kam kila mandang let dia sepo ka yeng bisar ban pan jing bet shishu te nalor kani ru u asisi ulayat hu ba hakabede hi bakani ka jing sha penyap jong u Raja Raghuvanshi kanika wei saudang kadai ka wei na ki jaka ki ba ki la shulet ban berat ya kamet yap kat baya ka jing penyap hi kala jaha ka wei ki jaka ha ka baya dei bat ka jing let jing ki pulit chatai chapo sora lakin let ni em ban pet beng kita ki crime scene ha ki jaka ta ka baya lam ki ni ki ba suba dan keti halor kani nakaliang jong USP hi ula pentip ba ya kani kan ya kat kum kajing toket ladaki pulit hi ki idon kam tekin hiar sya kate ka thain bat ladakin idon kam te kin i no ya kani ka jinglet ki shate shapo sora te nalor kini ru ki babun ki ba nakaliang jong USP hi ula ya thu te yai ne bat ngi ha kani ka kubor
they have been remanded back for 8 days of custody. During the course of investigation, if we find there are certain grounds wherein we need to recreate the scene, we will go and do that. The primary steps would be to first talk to these arrested accused so that we can understand the larger conspiracy at play, how things fell into place and how these actions were created. We have certain idea as to what happened and how it happened. Now we'll go back and talk to them and to figure out and to clearly establish their contribution to the crime. In due course of investigation, if we find anybody is a person of interest, we will definitely summon, if need be, call them here, so that we can take down the statements. That being said, investigation is still ongoing, and a lot of things may crop up. If there is a need of recreating the crime scene, we will have to do that, and we may have to take them. Strong evidence to link all these to the crime, and we are working to make it even more watertight so that the case can be good to go for prosecution. That is what I am saying, from the information that we have, from the evidences that we've collected, that area, the crime happened somewhere near the place itself.